We are staying today at the Harrah's Kansas City in the Kansas City Tower in a presidential suite. That's going to include a living area separated from a bedroom and restroom area. We do have a dining area with enough seating for 4 people in case you wanted to get some food from the Gordon Ramsay Steakhouse or one of the other restaurants downstairs to go and bring it upstairs to eat, as well as a mini bar. It's going to include small sink, your basic ice bucket, some cups, and a Keurig style coffee maker. Down here in the cabinets we have a mini fridge and some shelving area. Pretty basic mini fridge. Not currently stocked with anything, not a pay mini bar or anything of that nature. And just a little bit of storage space under the sink here. Hopefully I'm being loud enough. I am trying to keep my tone down since there are neighbors who may be sleeping. I did this drive-in from Las Vegas today. Go look a little further into the living space here. We do have some artwork here of the Kansas City skyline, as well as the local stadium. We'll turn the lights on so you can get a bit better view as we move into the living area of the suite. We do have a couch. I'm not 100% sure if it is a pull-out couch or not at the moment, as well as a chair, both placed around a centerpiece ottoman, and in front of a television and what appears to be an alarm radio over there. We'll go a little closer and check that out in a second. And to confirm, yes, that is a Bose alarm radio alongside a fairly basic Panasonic television, and some more Kansas City centric artwork up behind the couch. I believe that is the World War I museum there, as well as a shuttlecock. I'm not exactly sure of the significance of badminton or shuttlecock to the Kansas City culture. And I just looked and this does not appear to be a pull-out couch, but it does have a gratuitous amount of cushion and is quite comfortable to sit on. You probably could sleep on it regardless if you wanted to. We do have an outward facing window here. Have a look out of it. And it's primarily a view of the parking garage and valet, but we can see this clock tower built onto the casino here. There's really not much to see here at the Harrah's Kansas City as far as views are concerned. There is a certain angle of the parking lot where I was able to see the Kansas City skyline adjacent, but overall the area is relatively secluded. Alright, then we'll move over and have a look at the living area of the presidential suite here at the Harrah's Kansas City. We did get the one king bed in a non-smoking room. Let me see if I can get some lights on so you can see in here a little bit better. Alright, I may just be pressing this incorrectly, but it does seem that switch does not turn on these lights over here at the moment, and I do not see an individual switch on them. May just have to deal with some low lighting for this part of the video. Highly doubt that that is going to affect your stay here, as you probably don't need a lot of light directly in the bedroom anyway, and the lights seem perfectly functional in the restroom where you would want them. Also, one interesting note that I did just notice, there is a separate air conditioning unit for the living area and the bedroom area, so if for some reason you want them to be separate temperatures, you can do so. It's pretty hot in here, so I'll go ahead and start to turn that down now. We do have one chair for a seating area alongside our king-size bed and some nightstands, some storage area inside of them. Another pretty basic Panasonic TV, and we'll check inside the storage area there beneath it. That is just some basic storage space for clothing or anything else you may want to store in there. And the same over here. have a quick look inside the closet, and then we'll go check out the restroom. Pretty basic. I'm sorry, it is a little dark in here. Nothing super special in here. Ironing board, iron, place to hang your clothes and fold them. One big positive up here, although it can be hard to see, is that is a safe. I have stayed here before in a basic room, and it did not include a room safe. If you have watched any of my videos before featuring hotel rooms inside of casinos, you know that I think it is very, very drastically important that all rooms include a locking safe for all customers. Customers who are coming to casinos oftentimes have money and other valuables that they would like to keep in the room in a safe, reliable spot that they know it will still be there when they come back, in case they decide to go out and about the town a little bit and don't want to bring a large sum of money or other valuables with them. Every casino likes for you to bring lots of money with you to their property. They should give you a safe place to store it. All right, moving on to the restroom. We have kind of a his and hers setup, as well as a preparation area with stool here in between. We also find a small Sharp TV for viewing in the restroom. For those of you who just can't miss a moment of your favorite show while coming to shower or bathe. Speaking of which, we will go have a look. At the shower. I have not taken a shower in here yet, so I'm not exactly sure what every single one of these knobs do, but I'm going to assume they turn on, off, and control the pressure on the 5 different shower heads, I believe. That's 1, 2, 3 here, going up and down. Your standard shower head there at the top front, and then a directly above the head shower head as well. Does include a stool, as well as your basic hygiene products. If you prefer to bathe in a tub instead of a shower, we do have a whirlpool tub here. You can find all of the controls for it down here. Does have plenty of controls for the air jets to set to however you may desire. And then our segregated restroom over here for the toilet. Some flower artwork. A standard toilet and an exhaust fan, and that is it for the toilet room. I know some of you may be wondering, so we will check the quality on this mini Sharp TV over here. Alright. Sharp TV may or may not be functioning at the moment. Alright, moving on. We'll go look at a TV out here in the bedroom. Pretty basic hotel television. And of course we do have another window over here in the segregated bedroom. Air conditioning seems to be working very well in here. It has cooled off very quickly. It was quite hot when we got in. I turned the air conditioner down and it's already much cooler over here. Let's see what's outside these windows. Looks like it's going to be close to the same view. Probably help if we turn out all the lights. Let's do that real quick. All right, we do have a little bit more clear of a view now without the glare of the lights. Once again, there's not a lot going on here in the Harrah's Kansas City area. It is a bit segregated off from the city, which can be a major benefit for some people. It means that it's quiet, it's calm, there's not a lot of noise, and sometimes casinos that are located in the middle of city centers will sometimes be subjected to overflow crime that just tends to happen in every major city. So it can also make people feel a little bit safer walking around with larger sums of money that they may be bringing to a casino. I do generally like the Harrah's clock tower over here. It doesn't have the extravagance of a Vegas Strip casino, but it is pretty interesting regardless for what it is. I have certainly been to casinos with nothing really interesting or eye-catching going on the casino itself. All right, and there you have the presidential suite at the Harrah's Kansas City in Kansas City, Missouri. And here is the view out the bedroom window during the day. And out the living area window during the day.